Hey, what's up, Chiliz Holder? So this is a live price prediction of Chiliz coin. As a brother, I will tell you, my brothers, to sell, hold, or buy, or what's the prediction. Please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother. Let's get started this brand video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request to please, as a brother, like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. Kindly subscribe it. So this time you can see the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing to this coin is completely and the negative from last 7 days. But the main reason is that, my friends, to at the start of month every cryptocurrency falls down very fastly. So I think this reason is going to be right, my brothers. To this time they falls down, but don't see this short fails. I hope in upcoming time the future will be bright. So you can see absolutely the future will be bright now. But because after a fail, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump, and after a jump, like this jump absolutely fails down. So it's mean to 100% in upcoming time there is more chances to them offer. You need to hold, because my brother, they will make you millionaire if you hold it. So hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now. In the last 1 month they falls down completely. But remember, my brothers, to after a fall every currency take a very huge jump. So I hope in the June, in the all month, my friends, they will moving upward. But this is the start of month, especially short term investors, they're starting selling, so therefore they falls down. So you need to hold and don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now, just in only at the end of month. So hold it, please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.